I'm just a poor boy. I just
Dude, come up top. We got.
Can it sense?
Wait, we can mine this.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
No.
Go! Go! Wait. Shh. Hydra. Come here. Stop. I think we're safe.
He's gonna get me. That's my dad. He has arthritis. Bad.
Wait, carrot. Special carrot. Hydra.
Carrot? What?
Eat it.
Where is it?
It's right here, you idiot.
Gotta whisper. I'm so
You have flashlights for eyes.
Can you see okay? Turn off your flashlight. Can you see okay?
Yeah, sure. So I don't want to go any lower, bro. I don't. Carrot.
I'm gonna go lower.
Yeah, I eat greens, kids. Remember that.
But I already got them. Wow!
Yo. Get your smelly boy away from me. Hydra, stop.
We have to go lower.
No, we don't. Wait, Hydra, I'm hitting. Oh, man.
What are you hitting?
Hydra, we have to go lower.
That's what I just said!
So can we talk about how that bonus guy is going through like, everything?
Why is your blood down here? Oh my goodness, our blood fell. You really do have flashlights for eyes.
Yeah.
Mine just
Go
wore
this way,
off.
go this way.
Dude, I saw your flashlight eyes and I thought it was something.
Shh.
My dad's coming.
Are we stuck in here? Yo.
What?
My eyes were off. I almost gave you a heart attack. Hydra, we're going back.
Yeah, we are.
Well, then let's go back up top.
Dude, wait, we can go lower here.
Oh. I knew
This
that.
looks-
I knew that.
I knew that.
Yeah, I did too.
You're cold! Dude, oh, carrot.
We're fine.
Carrot. Where is carrot?
Eat it.
Carrot.
So is gold or smaller down here? What?
I didn't do that.
Your monster, come and get us. Shh, I hear something. Shh. Heaven? Heavenly Father, is that you? Papa, I'm coming home.
Wait, what?
Wait. Shh.
No, I hear that. Heaven. Was it this purple crystal?
Yeah, we should swim. Sounds like the title screen. Go this way.
Wait. It does. My here.
It's just like, come on. We're going back from whence we came.
But what if it's another scaly hairy?
Shh.
I...
What? It's right here. Heaven, I'm coming home.
Title screen.
You go.
It might be up or down.
It doesn't sound like it. Sounds like it's. Wait. I think it's down and this way. Come on. Yeah. We're so close. Hydra, I don't have my grappler on. I don't want to follow. You did. Because you have your grappler.
Can you hold the darn knife straight? Dude.
Bro, I walked down my boundary at the worst time.
Dude, get your grappler. Get your grappler. We don't need the light anymore.
But I got. We've escaped from reality.
No, dude.
Yeah, what? What? Yeah.
What?
My screen just flashed. Try it.
No. Yeah, I know.
No danger.
It's not dangerous.
Wait, can you grapple onto the walls?
Yes.
Okay. Let's just send it. Don't touch that stuff. Yo, grapple to the top. Bro, I'm gonna name this Two Idiots Figuring Out Animal Company. I fell!
No, I jumped.
Wait, it said no danger. This is the teleporter back home. Let's go the other way.
This doesn't.
It said no danger. Yeah, that looks like danger.
Yeah, so let's.
Wait, Kevin from Fortnite?
Wait, what? What do you think, Kevin?
Kevin?
That's Kevin. Wait, what's that button?
Yo, I dare you to touch. Wait, let me see.
I'm touching it.
Do it.
Chunks reset. Wait 40.
Huh? Players are still in the area. Chunks reset. No! Oh, I just realized what that meant.
I do.
Oh, frick.
Come on, let's go this way.
Wait, players are in the... Testing, 1, 2, 3, anyway there. Bro, tell the guards to open up the gates.
I'm kind of...
I ain't doing this.
Come on, dude, come on.
It said no danger.
Yeah, so we don't have to
Bro,
worry.
we're stinky.
What's that inside? Oh, it's a little spinning thing.
Open your eyes. I hope I didn't sing that too much. I don't want to get copyrighted.
Oh, there's a little
Not like
crate.
I'm making it. Yo, I would not touch that! Hold up. Let me get my thing out.
I took it.
Yo, it is heaven! Wait, what's this way? What's this? More crates. It says... Obsidian. Oh. I got a shotgun. Oh, no, I'm opening them now. I got battle axe.
What?
Bro, you know you like this, bro, you chubby little monkey. Take it. You can chuck it and it comes back to you. Watch. Wait.
Hand it over.
No, okay, fine. Little gremlin, bro. Hydra, I got another one.
Huh.
Oh, crap. Oh, yo, don't scare me like that. Okay, there's another one over here.
Did you make me go?
Wait,
Go.
Hydra.
What?
Babies crawling in the vents.
Shotgun shells. You got shotguns.
Okay,
Yeah, so wait, dude, I want to check
wait,
up
yeah,
first.
do we go up or...
First we go up.
Hey, the
and
last
then...
I checked, this wasn't harmful. It's not, we're good. But, wait, how do you open this? Do you collect all of them, or what? Do you, like, shoot it? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Dude, my axe fell too far. I can't grab it.
What do we do? What do we do? What have you done? You do that, you do that. I had to drop my light. I'm ready to attack. I'm coming, my brother!
Dude, he's falling!
Weak points, weak points. Wait, he has weak points.
Yeah, but I can't reach them.
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
No, you're not.
Oh my god! Weak points! No! The pillars, Hydra, use the pillars! No! Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Just stay down here and wait for him to fall. Wait, I'm hurting him! I'm hurting him, I'm hurting him! He's lasering me! He's lasering me! Focus.
Ankle.
I'm dead.
I'm dead. I'm cooked. Please.
Wait, you respawn! Wait, but I have none of my loot, so what am I meant to do? I'm coming! Oh. Yeah, sure. I didn't even have to. Hydra, we have nothing to fight with. Well, that's it for today's video, everybody. Comment down below if you want me to try this again with my idiot friend.
I'm not stupid.
Here you are. Okay, bye. Hydra, say bye.
Bye.